remembers. He remembers Greg the gardener.
Man.
We're going to see the turkeys and the chickens. Little Will. Look at that doggy.
Looks like a big Pomeranian.
He does.
They're corgis. They're cool.
Oh,
Short legs.
Dottie.
what kind of a dog is it? A corgi?
Corgi.
A corgi?
It's corg.
Corgi?
C-O-R-G-I.
They look like a Pomeranian and like a what's it called? And a Chihuahua wiener dog thing.
Corgis.
Coming too.
He's coming too. Look at them like run, like they're like come here, puppy. Oh, she can't do it anymore. She gave up. She died.
Oh.
She started running and she just collapsed.
She just collapsed. The dog was running and just.
You know what she's doing? She's like, hey, rub my belly.
Oh yeah, right now.
Over, yeah.
Oh look, William. Turkeys and chickens.
Oh, look, there's a peacock.
There's
Peacock.
three peacocks. A gang of chickens. A gang of whatever.
Hey, Daddy. Come here, puppy. Yes. Come here, puppy. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh.
Okay.
What happened to her neck?
Scotty. Scotty.
William, what do you think? I didn't know he had turkeys.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the peacock. Peahen? I don't know which one it is. What do you want? Hmm? Oh, good. These are the chickens the eggs come from?
Oh, she's not a girl.
It is a girl. It's a girl dog.
Wait, remember the chickens we saw at the Dells?
Ruby, Ruby, Ruby!
Hey.
What happened to her?
Something.
Bitter?
Yeah, Jeff's putting.
Medicine?
Yeah. Scotty.
Hmm?
You're noisy.
Turkeys.
They're feeding their lunch.
What?
They're feeding
Look, and they got
She told me she was feeding him lunch. You want me to bring the plate down?
Oh, they're closing in.
Yeah.
What's up, man? What's up? Just went under the fence.
Oh, there's one little chicken in there.
Solitary confinement.
Solitary confinement.
Why? There's no water of them.
I'll lock you in there.
Oh, there's two of them. Well, they can go back. They went right through there.
They just climbed under the fence.
They pooped.
They pooped.
They pooped.
Did they poop?
Yep.
Those are following us. Hey, doggy. Oh, good girl.
They climbed in there.
Funny looking
And
chicken.
they,
Yeah, look at that spotted one. This is red.
that
What the heck is that? I don't think that's a chicken.
It's a rooster.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's got the rooster tail.
And it's a male. Is that a guinea?
what a rooster is this?
Oh, yeah.
That's a turkey.
As you jive, turkey.